Welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be looking at the simple steps in editing using CapCut. In this tutorial, we'll be knowing how to open CapCut and how to start a new project, how to import videos and photos, how to trim and cut clips, then how to add text, how to add music, and how to export videos on CapCut. Now the first thing we are going to do is to open our CapCut app. This is the CapCut. If you don't have it, you can install on your Apple Store or Play Store. Now when you open your CapCut, this is the first interface. This is the first thing you are going to see. And now we want to start a new project. We want to edit a new project. And what you do is you click on this plus sign. This plus sign, the place you're seeing new video, you click on it. It automatically takes you to your gallery where you will see videos and where you will see photos. Now I'm working with videos, so I'm going to import the videos I want to edit to the editing interface. So I'll just select the videos I want to edit. After selecting the videos, you click on the add icon at the lower right hand side. You click on it. Now you have added the videos you want to edit on the editing platform and the editing interface. This is how it looks. Once you import the videos you want to edit, you will now see something like this. Now let's look at all these tools at the lower down side where you see edit, you see audio, you see text, you see effects, you see overlay, you see captions, you see filters, you see adjust. We are going to look at these tools one after the other, but definitely not on this tutorial. The next thing we are going to do now is to trim this video. We are going to trim this video, remove the unwanted parts, the places you feel like this place is not needed in this video. And to do that, you are going to click. Now note, these tools you are seeing below, they will change immediately I select a clip. These tools will change immediately I select a clip to edit. Now I want to trim this clip, the two clips I imported. I have to click on this one. Once you click on it, you see the tools below have changed. You are now going to see split, you see volume, you see animations, you see effects, and so on. Now what this one is telling you now, this clip that you selected, what do you want to do? Do you want to split it? Do you want to increase the volume? Do you want to animate? Do you want to add effects, or do you want to delete? Now for instance, let me increase the volume. If I want to increase the volume, I just click on the volume here. I'll adjust the volume.
I promise you I'll never hurt you.
Now the next thing is, since I want to trim this clip, once I've selected it, let me deselect. If you want to deselect, if you want to see the previous options, the previous tools we were seeing, you have to click out. When you click out, you see other things. Now I want to trim. I'll click on the video, on the clip. You play the video so that you will know where to remove and where not to.
I promise you I'll never hurt you.
I trust you completely, my love.
Now assuming I want to remove this part, the ending part, because I feel like I don't need it. All I have to do is to click on split. When you click on split, it has removed that end. Then I will now decide this particular one now, this small one now has become a clip on its own. It has become a separate clip. Now I want to delete it because I don't need it. What I will do is to click on delete. It has deleted. Now the second clip, I want to also know where to remove and where not to. I'll also play it.
Chidi, what is this?
Babe, it's not what.
Now if you notice, when this lady was walking in, she was looking at a different direction. She was looking at a different direction, and because of that, I want to remove the place she was walking in, and just let it start from when she was speaking. So I'll also play the video again. Then I will split. You click on split. You select that clip. Now it has become a separate clip. Now I have 3 clips on this editing interface, and I want to delete this one I just splitted. All you have to do is to select it and you click on delete. So that is all about trimming. Now after trimming, let's look at how to add captions. I want to add captions to this video. What you have to do is it's already clicked out. There's no clip that is being selected, so I'm seeing captions already. See the captions here. But if I should select the video, you're not going to see that option. Are you seeing it? So for you to be able to see captions, you have to click out. Make sure you're not selecting any video. Then you come at the lower side, you see captions, you click on captions. You click on generate from video, just click on done, and then you click on generate. Now this is simply how to add captions. Let's play the video and see.
I promise you, I'll never hurt you.
I trust you completely, my love. Chidi, what is this?
Babe, it's not what you think.
Now you have successfully added caption. The next thing is how to add text. Let me assume I want to add a write-up here. Like, let me just add a text. You are still going to see text the same place you saw captions. So you click out, click on this arrow so that you'll be able to see what you're looking for, because we have already selected captions. So when you do that, you see text. You click on text. You click on add text. Then it will bring this interface for you to type what you want to type. Let me say let me just put any write-up there. When we are done, you click on this icon here, and then the write-up is up. Now if you notice, let's play this video.
I promise you, I'll never hurt you.
I trust you
Now if you notice, the write-up is no longer showing on this video. That is because it is very short. This is where it started and this is where it ended. But now I want this write-up to show from the beginning of this video till the end. All you have to do is you drag this thing, drag that caption clip, and make it end the same place with others. Another thing is the position of this. All I have to do is to click and drag. I will drag it and place it here. And that is all for captions. Now I want to add music to this video. I want to add a background music to it. So what you would do is, you see the place you're seeing audio. Either you click on this audio here. When you click on it, you see sounds. Now you can also come here, the place you're seeing audio down here. You can also click on it. When you also click on it, you see sounds. You click on the sounds. Then these ones here are CapCut sounds. If you want to put a sound from CapCut, you can just go ahead and select any sound here. But I want to put a sound from my gallery. I want to put a sound from my phone device. So you have to click on this icon here. Then you see extracted, you see device. So I'm going to click on device. and it takes me to my music app. Then I'll have to select the sound I need. I'll select this one. This is the one I want to use. When you select it, you click on this plus icon here. Then it has been added to this video. So let's play and see.
I promise you, I'll never hurt you.
I trust you completely, my love. Chidi, what is this?
Now, because it's a background music, I want to reduce the volume. If you want to reduce the volume of this if you want to remove the volume of this sound so that it doesn't overshadow what your characters are saying, you select the music. When you click on it, you see volume, and you reduce the volume.
I promise you, I'll never hurt you.
I trust you completely, my.
After reducing the volume, you click on this icon here to save. Then another thing is, this video is short and now the music is longer. That means when this video stops, the music will keep playing. What do? You also have to click on the audio, sorry. Also have to click on this audio. When you click on it, you see split. Then I'll delete that ending part. I don't need it. So this is it. This is how to add music. Then when we are done, you click on this. You see something like this. This is the resolution you want to save your video with. If you want to reduce this to 480p, you reduce. Then if you want to leave it at 720 is okay. You also leave it. Then if you want a more quality video, you can increase it to 1080. Now mind you, if you're using a free CapCut version, you cannot, if you select this 1080 or this 2K/4K, you will not be able to export your video. If you're using anything pro, anything that has this diamond, this purple icon on it is pro. It is only for pro users. And when you're using the free version and you select anything that has this signs beside them, you will not be able to export your video. When you are done and you want to export it, they will tell you to go back to either remove the pro version of this thing that you used, or you subscribe to the pro version. So just avoid anything that has these signs close to them. Now I'm using a pro version. I'll just go ahead and then click on export. When you click on export, you hold on for the video to export. Then after exporting, you will see the video in your gallery. See you in my next video. Bye.